Now, good evening, citizens of Jamaica. Hello, Floyd. All jokes aside, now, today I want to address the DRMA and make some adjustments as it pertains to worshipping, and especially worshipping on Sunday.
I say Prime Minister have press conference today.
No,
nobody graph something there. Can nobody want to see that?
The churches have somewhat complied and they've been fine with being at home and being online. However, starting this Sunday, churches will be able to congregate and they'll be able to go to a maximum of 50 persons.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Finally, do something.
This number was arrived by based on discussions with the Minister of Security. Well, that should be the Minister of Health. But the Minister of Security been following us around everywhere, so you know. Sometimes you wonder which ministry is in.
Finally, because every day you get free up with up on nomovement. Every day.
I will not be showing you any graphs or charts to tell you why we arrived at this number. Because we know you don't like it.
Yeah, man, church free up again. Alright, mommy, calm down. Me don't say excited. Me excited too, right? So them say what going on now is that up to 50 people can go church on Sunday. So what am I gonna do Sunday best? I go boom bang and take the bus come up to you. And then when mommy, hold on there. Can I come and say something?
It is still a no movement day. So I do not want to see any buses or taxis on the road. However, you reach your church, that is your business.
Mommy, no bother. If just say it's still a no movement there, mommy. So that means we can't take no bus or them something. Because I say I come take the bus and just come link you.
No,
and the two of us
Minister, there might be some people at home, some Jamaicans watching who are...
It don't make no sense.
And to them, I like to give this old Jamaican adage. It simply says is either you take it or you left it.